Hello, hello, hello. I am your response to interventionist, Miss Tessie Sanders Madlock, for both reading and math, and I am your online teaching consultant and teacher mentor. Let's begin with today's lesson. Today's lesson is coming from our resource Brain Bites, and this will be lesson 10. In this lesson of accelerated instruction, we will go over the short I sound. Let's also take a look at our content objective. Our goal in accelerated instruction is to actively engage the learner, whether it is the primary learner, that intermediate or advanced beginning language learner, or the adult ESL learner, to understand the basic components of following instructions and learning how to speak, listen, read, and write in English. And these lessons are also designed for those learners that may have challenges in dyslexia, ADD, ADHD, or dysgraphia and or dyscalculia. These are some additional resources that I've used over the years, even though it may be at the second grade level, that's the primary grade level. Remember, professors, instructors, the lessons can always be scaffolded to rise to an on level or above level. Here is my contact slide so that you can touch bases with me. I am open and available for teacher mentoring or professional developments, even coming into your school and modeling and demonstrating what response to intervention looks like inside of the classroom as the teacher does small group instruction. Now that the formalities are out of the way, let's begin our lesson. Let's go ahead and take a look. Get your pencils, your pens, your colored pens, your overlays if you need them. This is our resource. This is where today's lesson was taken from. See the grade? But I'm going to bump it up, in some cases. But remember, if you are at that middle school, high school, or adult ESL level, I'm going to speak slowly. This lesson will just be for you in terms of following directions, simple directions. Understand? Great job. Here is the information on the back in case you would like to order this resource. Great. Now let's start our lesson. Let's begin. Let's take a look. First, write your name. That's your first name. First letter of your first name should have a capital letter. All of the other letters are written in lowercase on the line, nice and neat. Capitalize the first letter in your last name, writing the letters neatly. So right now, you should have your first and last name on the line. Now write out the date. Spell out the month. Whenever you watch this session, go ahead and spell out the month. Today's date of this recording, it's April. See, I capitalized the A. 29th, 2021. Write your letters and your numbers neatly. Let's look at that word of the day. Read with Professor Madlock. Are you ready? Good. Read. Trace the word. Then write the word. What is our word for today? Ooh, live. And yes, this word can be live. Yes, it can. But we are working with that short I sound. Let me hear you. Great work. Again, this word is live. So let's trace the word, spelling out the word live. All right, let me change my pen. L, I, dot that I, V, E. Again, we want to do it 3 times. So here's the second time. Trace, call that letter. L, I, V, E. Last time. L, I, V, E. Now write the word. Copy the word in this space. Let me hear you spell the word live. L, I, V, E. Did you write the word neatly? If you didn't, erase and write the word again. Good. My face-to-face learner was showing me how well of a job she did. Now use it in a sentence. Look at the sentence. Let's write the word live on the line. L, I, V, E. Now, let's practice reading in English. Read the sentence. Read. I live by the sea. Now, pick it up. Let me hear you. I live by the sea. Fantastic. Morning scramble. Unscramble the words in the space beside each word. Read the statement again with Professor Madlock. Let's read. Unscramble the words in the space beside each word. Let's begin. Look at the picture. What is it? A shoe. Which diagram spells sh? You are smart. S H O E. Shoe. Spell shoe rapidly. Spell shoe. Spell it. S-H-O-E. Another good job. Look at the picture. This is an apple. Apple. Which letter spells a? A. Short A. A. P. O. L. E. And this is the silent E. Silent E. It does not make a sound. It's just, and now I'm referencing it as the silent E. But this is a final stable syllable. But I want you to associate this E with the silent E. Makes no what? Sound. Look at the picture. This is a fire. Which letter spells F? I. Good. Long I. R. And E. Good. Silent E. Spell fire. Quickly spell F-I-R-E. Nice work. This is a tree. Which 2 letters? T, R, E. E. Good. Diagraph E. Spell tree quickly. Good. Next, sound of the day. Here we are. Long I sound. Let me get my long I said short I. Let me get my long I card out. See, I have my card deck ready. There's the long I. As in, what is this? What is this? An iron, iron, iron. Good. Let's look at some long I words and spell the words. Make the I sound. I. Good. Ice. Spell the word. I-C-E. Icicle. How many syllables are in icicle? 3. Good. Spell icicle. I-C-I-C-L-E. Idea. Idea. How many syllables are in idea? 3. Good. Spell idea. I-D-E-A. Iron. Good. How many syllables? 2. Excellent. Spell iron. I-R-O-N. Item. How many syllables are in 2? Good. Spell item. I-T-E-M. Ivy. How many syllables are in 2? Excellent. Spell ivy. I-V-Y. Nice job. Make the long I sound. I. Good job. Excellent. Now, let's take a look. Read the directions with Professor Matlock. Let me hear you read. Circle the pictures that contain the long I sound. This is a what? Spell pie. P-I-E. Stop. Scholars, take a look. Did you spell the word pie under the picture of the pie? Yes. Good. Will we circle the pie? I. Yes. It has the long I sound. This is a ch, ick, ch, ick, chick, ick, ick, ick. I, ick, ick, ick. I, ick, ick, ick. Chick. Spell chick. C-H-I-C. Hey, will we circle chick? No. Good job. I. Kite. I. Spell kite. K. I. T. E. Stop right there. Did you spell chick? Did you spell out kite? Good. Now, will we circle kite? Yes, it has the long I sound. Great job. Now, let's review the long I sound as in, what is this? An iron. Let's quickly read the words again with the long I sound. Read. Ice, icicle, idea, iron, item, ivy. Great job. Keep up the good work. It's time for math. Fact families. Let's take a look. The addition and subtraction facts are related in a fact family. Fact family. Underline fact family. This is the objective that's being tested. Again, the addition and subtraction facts are related in a fact family. All of the facts use the same numbers. Solve the fact family problem. Again, fact family. Look at the problem. We have 11 plus 7 equals 18. Well, that must mean that 7 plus 11 equals what is missing? 18. You got it. This also means that 18 minus 7, good job, equals 11. This means that 11 minus 18 equals 7. You've got it. Great work. Give yourself a hand clap. Take a look at morning math. I will not reveal the answers in the session. This is your exit ticket. I will write exit ticket. An exit ticket is a test. It's an exam, a quiz. You will work the problems on your own in this session. Right now, please add 3 plus 4. Write the number here. What is 3 plus 4? Shh. Write the number here. Add 2 onto the number. Write your sum on the line. Good work. What is 0 plus 1? Add 5 onto the sum of 0 plus 1. Write your sum on the line. What is the sum of 1 plus 5? What is the sum of 1 plus 5? Write the answer here. Now add 4 onto the number that you've written here. Now write your sum on the line. You're doing a great job. You're just adding it all up. Add it all up. What is 3 plus 3? Write your sum of 3 plus 3 here. Now add 3 to this number that you've written. Now write the answer, the sum, the total on the line. Great job. Take your places. This section is for grade as well. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems that are for a math grade should your professor choose to take a grade. Count the fruit as groups of 10 and ones. Write the number of tens and ones. So that means that we must count by tens. And each single piece of fruit will equal. So let's begin. Take a look. 2, 4, 6, 8. What is it? This one group will equal 10. Good. So you write 10 on the line. See, count the fruit as groups of 10. This is a group. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is a group. So we've written 10. Now count each single piece of fruit. Count. Now write that number here on the line. Great work. You will add 10 plus whatever number you've written on the line here that represents these apples. You'll add it up. Now take a look at the next problem. Here's a group, and here's one group. Each group represents the number what? 10. So here's group 1 and here's group 2. So this is a group of what? And this is a group of what? So add these two numbers together. Add these two numbers together. Write that number here on the line. I'll say it again. Add these two numbers together. Write the sum of these two numbers on the line. Now, count these two apples. Write that number here on this line. Count. Remember, count the fruit as groups of 10. Here are two groups. And ones. Here are two ones. Write that number here to represent this number. Now add it all up and write the sum on the line. Independent practice. Now, let's wrap up our session for today with our sight word drill. Are you ready? Here we go. Let me move my cards to the side. This is an, read the words fast. Good. Excellent. Nice work. Yes. Excellent. Yes. Good reading. Great. This is a kite. Excellent. Owl. Good. Yes. And you did a great job in today's lesson. Today was lesson 10 of our Brain Bites. Our word of today was live or live. We went over our sound of today, which was the long I sound. Give me the long I sound. I. And I'm going to put up my contact slide again. This is how you can touch bases with me. I am your response to intervention specialist for grades 1 through 8. And I work with grades 9 through 12. And I am also an adult education literacy, online teaching consultant, and teacher mentor. I would be happy to come and visit you in your building at any time. Let me stop sharing my screen. Oops. Keep studying those multiplication tables. Keep practicing your handwriting on your printed letters and your cursive letters. Keep practicing those sentences. Have a great rest of learning day.